This is the Aronite fact sheet about employee health and safety. As an employee, you have a legal responsibility to ensure you do not adversely affect the health, safety, and welfare of yourself or others who may be affected by your acts and omissions at work. Each year in the UK, over 150 workers are killed at work. Over 1,200 workers are killed whilst driving for work. Over 28,000 workers suffer major injuries such as amputations and burns. 1.3 million suffer with work-related ill health. And over 600,000 workers suffer an injury affecting their back. So what are the workplace hazards that may affect you? Fire. 25 people are killed and over 1,500 injured in workplace fires each year. Incorrect action in a fire emergency is potentially fatal. Lifting. Lifting work materials and other items without following safe lifting techniques leads to injury. Slips and trips. One of the biggest causes of injuries at work, often simply prevented by keeping walkways clear. Computer use. Working for prolonged hours at a computer in a poor posture will lead to short or long-term health problems. Driving for work. The chance of accidents is increased by not effectively managing the driver, the vehicle, and journeys. Stress at work. Stress is affected by work demands, lack of control and support, bad relationships, undefined roles, and change. Substances. Without effective risk control measures, hazardous substances can cause short and long-term health effects. Equipment. Without maintenance and appropriate training, work equipment can lead to injury. So how can you help reduce the chance of harm to you and to your colleagues? Know and follow your fire emergency procedures when the alarm sounds. Do not lift heavy items on your own without training. Keep your work area tidy to avoid creating trip hazards for you, your colleagues, or visitors. Ensure your computer workstation is set up so that you can work in a comfortable posture. If you think you are being affected by stress, ask for help from your manager or your HR manager. Talking helps prevent stressful situations getting out of control. If you drive for work, follow your company driving policy. Do not use hazardous substances without taking the necessary protective measures. Report faulty work equipment and do not operate dangerous machinery if you are not trained to do so. If you are not sure, ask for help from your manager, colleague, HR advisor or health and safety advisor. Accidents, near misses and first aid. Accidents involving injury and near misses without injury must be reported to ensure that the lessons can be learned and similar events prevented. Ensure you know how to report these events. Timely first aid has a positive impact on the recovery from injuries or ill health suffered at work. Ensure you know who is your nearest first aider at work. Should you require further information about these fact sheets, please contact Aronite online or by phone.